Good morning, everyone. It is 4 a.m. and I am still awake. And I decided it would be easier for me to cut my onions now than it would be for me to cut them in the morning. Well, I just lied. It'll be afternoon when I wake up tomorrow. Today. This is a beautiful onion. Look at that. Look at that beautiful onion. I want to cut up all of my onions, to be honest. I did it a few times already. It's so much nicer. Just open up a bowl and have it ready. I was hoping to get a few more cut up, but it looked like my bowl. Oh, I did take out 2 bowls. Yes, my eyes are burning. Yep, and my nose too. Strange as that sounds. One onion. One onion. I do know if you run it under cold water, or slice it under cold water or something like that, it's supposed to be better. I gotta eat too. Boys and girls, I ate yesterday. Sometime yesterday. Ooh, I gotta eat again. Ooh, this time of night. Being up all night. Shoot, I need another meal. This is the price of doing something. lot to eat, boys and girls. That's my beef stew. Now this piece of onion right here, I'm going to put in this bowl with a little bit of water to see if I can grow it. I've been able to grow onions for a while, so I just put a new one there. And I didn't eat this when I made it because I was too full to eat. That's enough. Oh. Now I don't know how long these are going to sit here, but I'm going to put some in a bowl and I'm going to eat it. I forgot to get some crackers, but whew. See my chunk drawer, everybody? Chunk drawer. I need to clean out these baskets. I cleaned it out maybe about 3 weeks ago. I threw away some stuff, but I have a whole lot of stuff that could be going somewhere. Yes, I burned it. My stomach is so sick. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh. Now, boys and girls, let me taste my beef stew. You know what I realized after I made the beef stew? After I made the beef stew, I realized that why I don't make beef stew, because the meat is too thick. The meat is too thick, so I'm going to focus on the gravy right now. And taste it. Oral, you didn't see, but I put mushrooms in here. Lots of mushrooms. And that roux thing you told me about, if you can see, it's so nice. See how nice and thick that is? Mm. 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 Oh my goodness. Boys and girls, I wish y'all could eat at my table. Oh, you should see. My food was loved. You hear me? Loved. I'm like, oh my goodness. I heard so many times, put your foot in this. I was like, wow, I want to put my booty in there too. I'm loving it. I'm just looking forward to cooking for the winter. I love cooking at home. Ooh. Mm. Oh my goodness. Boys and girls, this is so good. Ooh. I also put a can of potatoes in there. Mmm. That meat will fill me up too fast. I'm gonna take it slow and eat the small parts. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna try and make chicken with mixed vegetables. I bought a can of dough, whatever you call it, biscuits. I'm gonna put the biscuits on top. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. But I have to tell you though, I was shopping on Amazon. Now first I went to the store across the street, got a few pieces of steak, and I came home and I was so angry because y'all haven't seen me cook sausage in a while. I love sausage, but I cannot pay $5.99 for one piece of damn sausage. I just can't do it. Do I look like Rockefeller to the people in the store? No way. So I went to the store yesterday. $5.99 for one daggone sausage. I walked right away from it. And then I had already gone to maybe 2 or 3 other stores, and it was between $5.49 a sausage and $5.99. I couldn't afford that either. That's like saying $10 and change for 2 sauce. I can't do it. It's not even. I can't even say, well, let me try to work it around. I just can't do it. So I was getting some stuff from Amazon, and I don't know what happened, but I did not see any sausage. Now, when I did see sausage, I saw the links and the little patties. I don't eat those. So after I put my order through, then it popped up with some stuff. Did you forget something or something like that? And I saw the turkey sausage for $1.99. Oh, boys and girls, why did I get 10 of those sausages? Oh, I'm so thankful. So thankful. I got 10 of those sausages. But I'm not sure. I'm kind of trying to figure out how much the sugar alternative sugar cost me. I went to Dollar General yesterday and I bought 3 boxes. They were $1.75, I think. I didn't even realize they only had 50 in them, but I need my coffee, so I got them anyway. Then yesterday I saw that Amazon had 250 in the freaking box. So I think I got 3 of those. And of course, probably only 1 coffee creamer, but I have to be easy on that coffee creamer. I just love the coffee creamer to the point where it's as if my coffee is sometimes white rather than brown. But this is the first time I really felt that mug was hot. Good grief. But my daughter called me and I ended up answering because I couldn't take not answering. But we had a conversation and I explained to her. So it was just a mental health trigger. That's all it was. So I told her about the sausage. She said, "Mommy, really?" Yep. And turkey on top of that. I normally don't eat the turkey one. I usually eat the beef one. There is no beef for $1.99. I hate to hear myself slurp off the spoon, but this food is really hot. I really truly can't help it. I gotta try a piece of meat though. Oh, nice and tender. Boys and girls, I'm about to open up a restaurant. Frugal Shay. Oh my goodness. I'm having a wonderful night. I just did a bracelet video with 3 Halloween bracelets. I put my pins and everything inside of a holder because I'm preparing myself possibly for an October event. Oh, I want to go so bad, but I don't know if I could pack that car cold like that. And if you actually wondering why I haven't hit the bed yet, I was almost asleep. My hot flashes are so bad. It is cold in here. It's cold. All the windows are open. It was raining, freezing airs in here, and you can see right here that my forehead is still wet. The back of my neck soaking wet. All back here is wet. And you know what I said? I'm waiting for the hot flashes. I took a hot flash medicine, but I'm waiting for the hot flashes to calm down because I want to get in the shower. Usually around maybe 5 or 6 in the morning, we get a little bit of hot water. Right now, the water will not be boiling. I need my water untouchable. That means hot. Nobody I know can get in the shower with the water that I can take a bath in. When I get in the bath, my skin be burning, boys and girls, but it feels so good to get in the water and your body just tense up, and then next thing you know, the water just get cool and cool and cool and cool. By the time it get cool, I'm done washing. And usually I have to use 3 different body washes or maybe 3 different soaps, so I need a scent. I have a strange thing where I need scent. So, and now I'm in a group for people who have bipolar disorder and disabilities, and someone had mentioned that they don't take showers anymore because of the health risk. And 2 days now I took baths, so I said maybe I'm going to be able to transition. I didn't have any problem getting up, and one day I couldn't get in the bath because my feet hurt so bad. I'm like, I'm not going to hurt myself. Stand at the sink, sit at the edge of the tub, but standing, nah, I'm not playing that game, boys and girls. But I can tell you what I am going to play. Oh, look at that. Look at that big mushroom. But it's just time to turn some TV on and get to laughing. I'm hoping something's funny on. And please don't let it be Mork and Mindy.